Never know how much I love you. Never know how much I care. When you put your arms around me, I get the fever that's so hard to bear. You give me fever. When you kiss me, fever. When you hold me tight, fever in the morning, fever all through the night. Sun lights up the daytime, moon lights up the night. I let up when you call my name, and you know I'm gonna treat you right. You give me fever. When you kiss me, fever. When you hold me tight, fever in the morning, fever all through the night. Everybody's got the fever. That is something you ought to know. Fever isn't such a new thing. Fever started long ago. Smith and Pocahontas, Canterbury met the fair. When his daddy tried to kill him, she said, "Daddy, oh, don't you dare give me fever." With his kisses, fever. When he holds me tight, fever, I'm his missus. Oh, Daddy wants to treat him right. Now you listen to my story. Here's the point that I have made. Chicks will run you, give you fever. Make you fire ahead or turn you away, then give you fever. When you kiss me, fever if you leave alone. Fever till you season. Oh, what a lonely way to burn. Oh, what a lonely way to burn. Oh, what a lonely way to burn.